good yesterday.
Good morning. Today we're going to one of the most unspoiled beaches in the Mediterranean. So excited. And I think the plan is just swim, lay on the beach. I think that's about it. I'm rather excited. It is so warm. It is boiling. And I'm ginger. So we don't much. It's like 10 o'clock maybe, so we're gonna go. What? Oh my god. What? Just been for a swim. The beach is kind of busy, but it was literally freezing because of the waves. What is that smell? Something smells really good. I remember.
Can you pass that to Mum?
We're having lunch. I'm so warm. Mum's gone to feed the fish. How do you turn the camera around? Feeding the fish. It's like 27 degrees and the biscuits are melting. I'm gonna have to eat the biscuits because they're melting. Such a shame. I'm gonna have to film secretly because there's like a lot of people with no tops on. Which is common in Spain, by the way. Like a lot of people don't wear tops to the beach, which is like cool. Anyway, so we've been at the beach for a couple of hours and I think we're gonna, it's like nearly to 2. I think we're gonna go home at about 2. And then I think I'm gonna swim in the pool. And then this afternoon I'm gonna have like a soul cleansing shower. Like I need to be like grinded down in like a mortar and pestle. I think that's what you call them. And then like rebuilt from scratch, you know what I mean? I want that kind of shower. Anyway, so that is the plan for after the beach. So it's been a few hours. I have showered, well, we got back from the beach and then I had a quick like 5-minute dip in the pool. But then I got kind of cold, so I came in, showered. Oh, I had the most soul cleansing shower. It was so good. And then just kind of relaxed, watch a bit of YouTube. It's 5:45 right now, so I'm gonna, oh no, I'm not making tea tonight. Oh, I'm gonna have some tea eventually, and I'll probably just like relax. I might be watching Moana tonight as well. A fun fact about me is I'm not like a Disney person at all, but I can recite the whole script of Moana. I've watched it that many times. During lockdown, I used to watch it like twice a week at least. So yeah, I think that's the plan for the rest of the evening. I feel so burnt, like my skin, you know, when it like crunches when you can feel it against all of your clothes. That's what it feels like right now. So I've either got a lot of sun today or I'm burnt, but I haven't checked which yet, and I kind of don't want to check because I just don't want to see, because then if I am burnt then it means that I have to cover up tomorrow, and I don't want to do that because I want to tan, even though I like kind of living in the lie, because I always say that I can tan when actually I kind of just can't, because I have such a fair light complexion, as you can see. And so I was like, guys, I have tanned a little bit, but it's never gonna be very much, which is really quite sad. But anyway, yeah, so I think I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the evening a bit. Maybe watch a film, maybe watch Moana, and see where the rest of the night takes me. I tidied my room, cleaned up. Yesterday when I got changed in my room, about half a beach fell onto my floor, but my floor is like made up, the camera just got out. Anyway, my floor is made up of like, it looks like there's rocks everywhere, so I could not see the sand when I was trying to sweep it up, but I got there eventually. Tidied my room, put all my stuff away, you know, washed my hair, all of that. Feeling good, feeling fresh, because last night we went out and we played this game. It's called Padel, or Padel, sort of. It's kind of like an easy tennis, except that it wasn't easy because it was like a lot of degrees. It was very hot and I was sweating, but then I couldn't have a shower because we didn't get back until like 10:30, 11. Was it 11? I don't know, it was late anyway. We ended up being there for like 5.5 hours, I think. So I didn't have a shower last night and I just felt disgusting. I can't stand not being clean. So yeah, needed that shower. Anyway, that's about all I have to say. So I'll see where the rest of the evening takes me. So it's a little while later. Just had tea and I'm about to go on a walk because our dog Millie, is getting bored and she needs to walk. That's the plan, I think. I'm gonna go out, go to the fields or something, go see the evening, and then that's about it.